Hi, my people. Today we are making okra stew in its very simplest form. This is also known as Fetri toto to the Voltarians or the Ewes of Ghana, of which I proudly belong to. And so I enjoy this meal each and every time with my grandma. So let me show you how we do it in our village or with my grandma. With this simple ingredient you see here, I'm just going to chop off the head of the okra and then toss it into some water and go ahead and boil it. While I boil this, I'm just also going to prep my other ingredients like the herrings that you see. I'm going to debone it and make sure I soak it in some water for just a few minutes, just 2 minutes, okay, to take away the sand or anything extra in there. Then I'll also chop my onions to whatever size that is preferable to you. I'll also heat up or roast my vegetables, the tomatoes, the onion, the pepper, as well as the salted fermented fish. This to allow the originality, the natural and the smoky flavor in the potato. Like you just can't go wrong with that without roasting it. I know you miss that twist, like you will miss that flavor. Now when that is ready, just mash it in your earthenware and check on your okra. Do not throw the water you used to boil the okra because you will need it very soon. I'm going to heat this in the earthenware, and that's where the name came from. Fetri toto. It's like heating or pounding the okra in the earthenware, and that's why we call it Fetri toto. I'll introduce the water like I told you because it was quite thick, and so I'm just going to go into that circular motion and this to give the even and then the even mixture of it. Okay. Now put that aside and trust me, you can actually enjoy this. Like it's looking right now green like this. You can actually enjoy it, but let's go the extra mile. Okay. We'll heat up some oil and add the herrings to it and make sure you fry for about 1 minute or two. Then we'll also introduce the smoked mackerel after deboning it and all of that. And then heat it up and also add the onions to it. Okay. Now do not allow this to fry too much. Like you're not frying it. It's actually ready just to add some flavor to it. So I'm going to take off fire and then go ahead and pour it into my okra. This is so beautiful. Gently mix all of this together. And I mean, with love, mix all of this together. You're going to enjoy this. I feel like I've been cheating on you guys without showing you this recipe because I actually enjoy it each and every time. And I forget to video it this time. So let me just do it for you. So please don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. If the salt is not up to your taste, make sure to add any amount of salt to your taste. Okay, do not worry about that. It's to your taste, so just do that. And now this potato goes very well with what's called akple. Akple is simply made from corn flour. Yes, just raw corn flour. So no adding of cassava dough or what have you to it. It's just raw corn flour that you do it. And you simply make this by heating up some water and making, when it's heated up, you just make a little mixture and then you pour it into it like cocoa, making cocoa or porridge. When that you see that it's boiling, you fetch a little of that aside, but you're going to use it, you're going to reintroduce into it to make it quite softer. Then you add more of your corn flour to it and mix it together. Make sure it combines so well without adding any lumps to it. Okay, you make sure you avoid any lumps by continuous stirring it and pouring back your cocoa into it, and make sure you stir this up or you do it to very soft. Okay, akple is actually eaten very hot. Okay, you can't put akple down for like a minute or two, or else it becomes very hard. Like very hard. You hate it, trust me. So akple is eating very hot. So do not make akple when you're ready. You're not ready to make it when you're ready to eat it. The right that minutes you want to eat it. When it's ready, just like you're seeing, I'm just going to take it and straight up into my fertility too. This is where it goes down because trust me, I thank God that I actually videoed this and took pictures of it before trying it, or else I'd have forgotten to even show you all of this. When the moment I put my hand in start trying to eat it, oh my goodness, I just couldn't resist it. I kept eating and eating and eating. That's exactly what I want you to enjoy. Yes. So please do not forget to try fettuccine the next time you want to eat okra stew and you don't have that much time or that much ingredients for it, because this is quite very healthy and very simple. Also, do not forget to subscribe or share. And also, I'll be very grateful to read the comment section all your feedbacks and reviews you have for me. Thank you. And like I always say, Enjoy your weekend, enjoy your day, and stay blessed. Until we meet in the next video, stay safe. Bye.